Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, steering wheel controls, 3-zone climate control, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, navigation system. Come take a test drive today.